Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello friends and welcome to another escapade. This time I'm going for a scuba diving taster session. Let's go! This is going to be indoors because it's a taster session, and once I have completed this, then I can go out and have a further training in the open waters with my instructor. This session is going to be around 2 to 2.5 hours and it costs around £50. First, I'm going to sign some paperwork that I'm healthy, I'm not taking any medication, and some declarations, and then we are going to have some instructions by the instructors. While you are underwater, you communicate with your instructor by some signs. So a little bit about the scuba diving kit. You put the dry suit first, and then you have got this jacket which has got a cylinder on its back, and the regulator attaches with the cylinder, with which you can control the flow of the air from the cylinder. And after that you put the weight belt on and the fins and mask. Okay, action time. So you've got your kit on, you're standing in the water. The first thing you're going to do is check whether the cylinder is working alright by testing the regulator. You can inflate the jacket with the help of a button to counter the weight of the weight belt. By inflating and deflating, you control your depth underwater. After that, you just dive in. The mask blocks the breathing from nose, so it's breathing in and out through the mouth using the regulator. It feels a bit strange at the beginning, but once you get hold of it, it becomes easier. And after that, you just swim underwater. It's a very different but very enjoyable experience. By the end of it, you just inflate your jacket and you come to the top of the water. Thanks for staying with us. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.